I don't think people understand how smart birds can be until they hear this story. One sunny day, a little bird perched high on a tree, singing joyfully. Below, a lazy, hungry cat spotted him and thought, "If I use my wits, I'll have a feast." The cat called out, "Dear bird, why so happy?" The bird chirped, "The weather is nice and this tree is beautiful." The cat, trying to trick the bird, said, "Come down for a chat." The bird laughed, "The ground is dangerous. Cats are always hungry." The cat lied, "Oh no, I'm a peaceful cat now." The bird, wise and cautious, asked, "How many birds have you saved before?" Silence. Flying higher, the bird called, "Nice try, liar!" The cat sighed, "If only I were smarter." Remember kids, never fall for sweet words that hide deception.